Raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar is considered by most health and natural living enthusiasts to be liquid gold. This versatile vinegar boasts a seemingly endless list of uses, from a digestive aid and blood sugar stabilizer to a balancing hair treatment and skin tonic. For a truly healthy and all-natural product, why not make your own apple cider vinegar at home? It takes a mere 5 minutes of preparation time. Things you'll need are glass jar, enough apple scraps or chopped apples to fill your jar. Use organic whenever possible. Organic cane sugar, filtered water, dash of store-bought organic, raw, unpasteurized, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Fermentation weight, small glass jar or plate. Cheesecloth or coffee filter. Elastic band. Using extremely clean or sterilized equipment is a must in the fermentation process. Be sure to wash all containers and utensils you're going to use with hot, soapy water. Rinse these in cool running water and dry with paper towels, or leave to air dry on clean paper towels. Running them through the dishwasher is also a good option. Directions. Fill the glass jar almost to the top with apple scraps. Dissolve the cane sugar into the filtered water. The amount you require will vary depending on the size of your jars, but should be mixed in a ratio of 1 tablespoon of sugar to 1 cup of water. If using the store-bought apple cider vinegar, add a dash to the mixture. Note, the vinegar is not essential, but it can help to speed up the culturing process. Pour the sugar water over the apples until completely submerged. Use the weight or small clean jar or plate to weight down the apples, ensuring that all of the fruit is completely submerged by the liquid. Cover the jar with a cheesecloth or coffee filter to keep the fruit flies at bay, and store at room temperature, but out of direct sunlight. A kitchen cabinet is the ideal location. Allow the mixture to rest for 3 to 4 weeks. Be aware that the fermentation process speeds up during the summer and slows down during the colder months. Check your vinegar every few days to ensure the apples are submerged and look for mold growth. When you notice a dark, cloudy substance in the jar, the mother, you can strain the mixture, composting the apple pieces and reserving the liquid. Return the liquid to the jar and cover with a lid. Again, leave it to ferment for 2 to 4 weeks, gently shaking the jar every other day. Taste the liquid regularly until it reaches an acidity that you like. At this point, you can transfer it to a bottle and begin using it. Homemade apple cider vinegar can be stored at room temperature, but it will continue to ferment and become more acidic. To prevent this happening, store your bottles in the refrigerator.